Peace and greetings, everyone. Divine Zeal here. I'm here with another video regarding the Bluetooth jammers, or the 2.4 gigahertz signal generators, and we have some amazing new updates. That's the thing with my projects. I like to keep updating them and evolving on the open source project and nature of it. Continuous integration, continuous development, that works. So we're going to take a look at an implementation of Starbeam, which involves 3 NRF24s. A lot of people have had questions on that, so let's get. So here is Project Starbeam once again. This will be available at PCBWay. You could get it through them. And I'll have the links down below, but especially with any of my other projects, I highly recommend going through them. Nice, cheap, and easy, great customer service. And I have some videos on how you can get your PCB made, especially from my other projects, and you could just go from there. So this makes a huge update on the previous Bluetooth jammer. So this is an upgrade on the previous Bluetooth jammer. I got these done through PCBWay, and this is really cool because you could also plug it into a Flipper Zero as well. But it has the 2 NRFs and the ESP32 and some extra pins there. But what this was lacking was a screen and buttons and different options. So as soon as you turn this on, unless you could technically program the boot button to be a user input button, but as soon as you turn it on, it's activated, and you could only know what's going on through the serial monitor. And then also there's only 2 radios. So building on top of that, I'll make a few other videos talking about the wiring, and even just like you could wire it with me, because there is quite a lot going on, and I didn't add the LEDs yet. But the basic idea is now when you turn it on, you have a cool UI. And then you have a nice menu. And you can edit the code so you could have your own menu items and have them affect its own channels. But I gave a nice template that goes over the popular channels. So Bluetooth, drone, Wi-Fi, and then multi-channel. And this is interesting because then you can select a channel range for each radio. Like for this one, 2 of the radios go from 1 to 14, and 1 goes from 1 to 80. And yeah, you can kind of just play around with it. And then I'll do some more tests that can show you the results of everything. But yeah, just a quick introduction, and you could find the code on my GitHub, and I'm making a new PCB upgrade, so it'll have 3 NRFs and a display and buttons, and kind of building up to Starbeam, because I kind of do have a few extra additions I want to make to this as well. But in the meantime, you can get this printed out at PCBWay if you would like, and I highly recommend, because you're probably going to want maybe a few different types to test. Peace.